Students, today we are going to see the continuation of current electricity. Today we are going to see the color code for carbon resistors. The first two rings from the end give the first two significant figures of the resistance in ohm. The third ring indicates the decimal multiplier. The last ring indicates the tolerance in percent about the indicated value. Example, AB into 10 to the power of C plus or minus D percentage in ohm. I will give you a shortcut to find out the color code in the carbon resistors. B.B. Roy, the Great Britain, very good wife, is the shortcut code, universal shortcut code. B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. B stands for black, number is 0, and B stands for brown, number is 1. R stands for red, number is 2. O stands for orange, number is 3. Y stands for yellow, number is 4. Green stands for 5. And B stands for blue, number is 6. And V stands for violet, number is 7. And G stands for grey, number is 8. And W stands for white, number is 9. And color codes for the tolerance. If the last color, which means the last string indicates the tolerance in percent about the indicated value as we have studied above. So if the last line segments indicate in gold, the tolerance is 5%. If it is silver, the tolerance is 10%, and there is no color indicated, the tolerance 20%. So the code is given. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. First of all, we are going to see the examples. See, the first one represent to the brown and violet and black. The tolerance is gold. Find out the resistance of the given resistor. Here, first line segments represent to brown, so the significant is 1. And second one represent to violet, so violet has 7, 1 into 7. And third one is called black, so which is third ring indicates the decimal multiplier, therefore 17 into 10 to the power of 0, which is equal to 17, so that the tolerance is 5%, therefore plus or minus 5%. It will may be asked as a 1 mark question. Our next topic, resistors in series and parallel combination. Let us consider the resistor of resistance R1, R2, R3 are connected in series combination. Let I be the current flowing through the resistor of the resistance. According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, so that first resistor is called V1, V1 is equal to IR1. Second resistor V2, V2 is equal to IR2. And third resistance V3, V3 is equal to IR3. Therefore, the net resistance IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Take the common factor I let get cancelled. Therefore, the effective resistance in series combination R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Note that R is always greater than the sum of the individual resistance of R1, R2, R3. Now next topic is called resistors in parallel combination. Let us consider the resistor of resistance R1, R2, R3 are connected in parallel. Let I be the current flowing through the resistor of R1, R2, R3 in the name of I1, I2, I3. In this case, the potential is the common. According to the Ohm's law, V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Take the V, cancel on both sides. We can get 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. The reciprocal value of effective resistance in parallel combination is equal to sum of the individual resistance in this combination. In the resistors or parallel combination, the R is smaller than the smallest of all the resistors. Our next topic is called sources of EMF. The electromotive force is the maximum potential differences between the two electrodes of the cell when no current is drawn from the cell. Comparison between EMF and potential difference. EMF is the maximum potential difference between the two electrodes of the cell when no current is drawn from the cell, that is, when the circuit is open. Potential differences is the difference of potentials between any 2 points in a closed circuit. It is independent of the resistance of the circuit. It is proportional to the resistance between the 2 points. The term EMF is used only for the source of EMF. It is measured between any 2 points of the circuit. It is greater than the potential differences between any 2 points in a circuit. However, potential difference is greater than EMF when the cell is being charged. Our next topic is called internal resistance of a cell. The opposition offered by the electrolyte of the cell to the flow of electric current through it is called the internal resistance of the cell. What are the factors affecting internal resistance of a cell? Larger the separation between the electrodes of the cell, more the length of the electrolyte through which current has to flow, and consequently a higher value of internal resistance. Greater the conductivity of the electrolyte, lesser is the internal resistance of the cell. That is, internal resistance depends on the nature of the electrolyte. The internal resistance of a cell is inversely proportional to the common area of the electrodes dipping in the electrolyte. The internal resistance of a cell depends upon the nature of the electrode. Therefore, the net value of E is equal to V plus V. Here, the value of capital V stands for I into R and small v stands for I into small r, where small r represents to the resistance of the cell. Therefore, the value of E is equal to I into R plus R. So that the value of I is equal to E divided by R plus R. This relation is called circuit equation. We will see the remaining topics in our next class. Thank you, students.